All right, folks, we're here at another service call. The customer states that the unit sounds like a car motor starting underneath the house. So we're down in the dungeon, whatever you want to call it. So we'll take those two top doors, or the two top screws out. The system is not faulted. We're gonna energize the fan and see what we can hear. Yeah, it's running. Okay. Thing about energizing just the G terminal like we did here is it's going to run at a lower speed. So, the filter's not the best, but it's not the worst. Usually when you get these hearing noises, calls like that, it's usually something in the blower or something along the line with that, but I'm not seeing it. And sometimes the customer can misdiagnose where the noise is coming from as well. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to energize. Give me another jumper, Cardi, please. We're going to energize the Y as well. That way we hear exactly what it should. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook on there. Put our jumper clip there. All right, Cardi, so put it on Y1. Okay, that's what we're hearing. No. All right, folks, so what we're going to do is verify that something's not in there physically, because like I said, we have Mises in here, so if one of them has gotten up in there, then obviously that's our problem. But what we're going to have to do is take off this panel here, which is a bunch of screws around here, so we can pull it to the side, and then we'll see what we got from there. I'll pick back up when I know something. All right, guys, so here we go. We've got the blower exposed now. There's nothing in there that I can see. I can see, I don't know if you can pick up on camera, but looks like a rodent. Oh, there it is. Yep, there's a mouse in there. This is a gross call, but yep, he's in there. Okay, guys, so we're gonna have to pull the rest of the motor out to be able to get to him. So what we'll do.
That little thing got this thing shaking like good.
Yes, dude. I'm telling you, they're balanced like a car tire, man. Like, it's perfect. And if anything throws it off, a mouse, anything like that, it will shake the floors of the house because it's so just erratic shaking. All right, so we're going to pull this out a little bit. There's more of him right there. That's, yeah, there he is. That stinks too. All right, so we're going to take Needle Nose and try to work him out of there.
Like an abortion.
Needle Nose pliers.
That's crazy.
I don't. Yeah, poor guy. He never saw it coming, I don't think. It's so hard to do stuff when you can't see nothing. Oh, there he is. You don't see this all the time, but these mice, man, they get everywhere in your house. And they cause problems. And that's our guy right there. That's our problem.
Those need to be sterilized.
How's it going, man?
Uh-huh.
All right, guys, we're back. The customer came in. Like I said, I don't want to show anybody that has no idea that what they're on. All right, tighten those 2 screws. So we got the mouse out of there. That was fairly easy. I about didn't find it, but we did. And now, once we get everything back together, I'll turn the video back on and let you see it running. You can sit and feel it in the floor, and it's like, man. All right, guys, so we got all the